How long have you been here? It says 1 p.m. Did you hit it full speed or did you slow down and stop? It was moving slow and then you couldn't back up, you couldn't go forward, you couldn't go backwards, so you were screwed. And the water's been raising, so you've been here since 1 a.m. Now, do you think, I just went to a Tiger game and it wasn't this bad, but you think, you know, they've had what, 16, what time is it right now? $4:50, so you figure, call it 5 o'clock. You figure in 16 hours, they'd be able to pump something out, right? But no, this is where your tax dollars are going. But I don't know. I'm trying not to say anything too political, but man, it's pretty bad. I've never seen it this bad. You heard what? No, this hasn't been like this for a day or two, do you? Right, because it rained at my house too, you know.